Welcome back, and let's shift focus on a CNBC TV 18 exclusive where Yash Jain caught up with Vijay Kumar, who is MD and CEO of NCDEX, and Yash began by asking him on his views on equity exchanges being allowed to start commodity trading and what impact has it had on the commodity space, especially NCDEX.
First thing is that NCDEX has been in the commodities business for over 14 years, so that's a long track record, and the other exchanges are just starting up. And our experience goes deep in the sense we understand commodities. We have handled deliveries across agricultural commodities, which are perishable products, so there's all the more difficult. And we've handled about 100 lakh tons of delivery over the last 14 years. So there is a lot of, it's not just about trading and trading systems, it's about creating this ecosystem of warehousing and the trust in how the product is handled. And it's good that other exchanges are coming in because at a generic level, the commodity markets need possibly or have space for other players as well to come in with new products and build it, and that's always a welcome thing. Competition helps us also become sort of sharper, stronger, help the customer service go more to a higher level.
Right. Now, of course, it's about two exchanges which have entered commodity trading, NSE and BSE. As these two exchanges spend more time on this turf, they scale up their commodity trading business. How rapidly would this lead to a transfer of market share when it comes to the incumbent players? What's your sense in terms of just the market dynamic when two new players, such big players in equity space, come into the commodity market?
Yeah, actually, I mean, the nature of most of these derivative markets is there is a lot of stickiness. Liquidity doesn't shift very easily. We've also tried in the past to switch liquidity from the other exchange. It's just doesn't happen. We've had other strong exchanges being set up earlier, like ACE, which haven't made a dent and have had to close. So, and they came with strong patentage as well. So I think what instead of shifting of market share, I think what might happen is that they may focus on another set of products, or another set of underlying products, commodities, on which they build. So ICEX, for example, has worked on some of them, which we don't trade. So that's, I mean, if these large exchanges focus on those, I'm sure they will find some success. Yeah,
absolutely.
All right, that is the NCDEX MD saying that the stickiness continues, and even as the new exchanges have come in with commodities, it hasn't really taken away any market share from the existing exchanges. But with that, let's slip into a short break.